Get ready to experience power-packed performance and sleek design with the Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G. Feast your eyes on the 6.78-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The slim body houses a massive 6,000 mAh battery, making it the thinnest 6,000 mAh phone available. Craft your own lighting experience with 108 user-defined lighting effects. Capture life's moments with the triple rear camera setup, 108MP main lens, 2MP auxiliary lens, and AI lens. For selfies, the 32MP front camera with LED flash ensures stunning shots, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6080 processor with up to 12GB RAM. Unleash unmatched power with the largest battery available, lasting a full day even with high-intensity use. Charge efficiently even in extreme cold with -20°C charging capability. Bypass charging ensures safety during gaming. The Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G combines power, endurance, and style. Available in Comet Green and Meteorite Gray.